Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming 3 essentials so nothing blocks matchmaking. Update your Xbox and game now. Once done, switch to a wired or steady 5 GHz connection so latency won't skew results. Make sure your account is signed in with Xbox Live and 2-factor authentication enabled. This prevents session drops. Now, open the game's matchmaking or private lobby menu and choose region settings or custom match parameters to begin forcing low-skill searches. Once you've entered matchmaking controls, change region and filter settings to narrow opponents. You want areas with fewer real players. Create or join a custom/private lobby and enable bot spawns if the game supports them. This isolates the session. Then reduce party size and remove skill-based matchmaking constraints so the system fills with practice or AI opponents. Make sure to alternate between quick play and custom lobbies to trigger fallback bot population when real players are scarce. To finish, verify your lobby settings again and save or lock them so matchmaking won't override bot options. If bots still do not populate after a couple attempts, restart the game and reboot your router. This clears stale sessions and often forces server fallbacks. If you encounter connection or matchmaking failures, check NAT type. If it's strict, enable UPnP or manually forward required ports on the router to allow proper peer connections and bot lobbies to form.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.